YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. Hey, man, today, again. Man, that's right, man. Again, man. Man, look at this, man. SRT8. Damn. Yeah, man, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, man. We good, though, man. We good, man. Got the bumper right here, man. Yes, sir. Car dirty as hell, though, but yeah. Got the bumper right here, man. Looking oh so clean, oh so wet. See the flip status on that? But yeah, man, that's what we doing today, man. We are installing the, what they call is radiator support, core support, man. We about to install the factory one back onto this car, as I showed y'all previous video, man. We got it sprayed up, man. Come take a look at this, man. Got it sprayed up, man, right here, man. See the flip game? Yeah, see the flip? But yeah, we about to install this on this car right now, man. Look what I done though. I broke my damn fog light housing. It still hook on pretty good, so I mean, but you know what? I said I was gonna order some new ones when I was gonna do this, and I should have ordered some new ones anyway, man. But hey, it is what it is, man. This one like slightly cracked. This one down here, that's cool, but probably dirty, but it's due for some new ones, man. Freshen up the front end right quick, man. So I got those on order. They be here tomorrow morning, you feel me? But yeah, yeah, man, we about to get this all hooked up, unhooked, and we about to get this new what you call it put on, man. So yeah, we gotta take all these off. This crap, that crap, like in my previous old videos, man, which I know y'all done seen before, man. So nothing too new, as y'all can see. We about to get this mug popping, man. Take a look at the Magnum, man. Yeah, with the bumper off, looking crazy. Looking too crazy, man. This bitch dirty as hell. Yeah, I was driving this mother and got caught in the rain, and after that, I just drove it again. After the rain, need to wash it. But we gonna wash it later, though. Got the base out. See, you got the big boy Optima battery in that motherfucker, you feel me? Yeah, big boy Optima battery, man. But yeah, man, I gotta unhook that, because you know these what they call it down here, the back behind here, they got the sensors, man, airbag sensors, man. So gotta unhook the battery once I do all of that. But I might not unhook the battery because I'm not really unplugging. This, so it should be cool, man. So yeah, man, Young Rich 419, man. So we about to get it in, man. Next clip, man, we gonna have this mug installed. And that's that. All right, man, we back. This is installed. Not fully installed. Still got to put these bolts in. But yeah, man. Still got to put the latch on. Horn bolts in. But you know, we installed. You feel me? See how that motherfucker looking? Flipping with the rest of the car, man. Ugh, nasty, bro. Hey, man. If you don't do everything in the beginning, you can always still do it at the end, man. So I wish I would have done all this before, but hey, it is what it is. Like for instance, I didn't paint the interior. I didn't paint the shock tower and down here when I first painted the car. You know what I'm saying? I got all that painted probably like a year later. Then, you know what I'm saying? Got the real one, got that painted, man. So we good, man. I did not take the I did not unplug my battery for the airbag sensor right here that go back behind here. You know what I mean? That little red tab at them 2 bolts. I didn't unplug the battery because I didn't unplug the sensor, man. So we should be good on that. Like I said, man, we about to put that on. Oh, I can't forget about this. Definitely about to put this on. So this goes right in between here. You feel me? Just like that. Oh, backwards. Got it upside down. Hold on. Go something like that, you feel me? So that go like that. Oop, my bad, you too. Goes like that, and we good to go, man. So next clip, man, everything will be installed, bumper back on, man, and let y'all see how it looks. Got the bumper installed, everything installed, and what I'm also realizing now too, this bumper just don't feel like it's sagging no more at the bottom. It look straight up. You see it, Everything color coordinating, man. I gotta put the black plastic things back on, man. You know what I'm saying? Back color coordinated, man. Now this is how it's supposed to be looking from the paint shop. Yep, like I said, we still dirty. They got the bumper clearance now. Got the clearance in the bumper. Got the absorber back here. So y'all can see that down here. Step right here. Got the absorber on. Had it on backwards the first time, last clip. Yes, sir, man. Sturdy. I got to buy another clip on the driver's side, but we ain't really sweating that right now. And that's what the push pins is in. Yes, sir. The real factory push pins. Looking good, man. Looking oh so lovely, man. On this beautiful day. This bitch look wet even when it's dirty, nigga. Ugh. Close that up, man. And this motherfucker clean, man. But yeah, man. It's all done. It's all finished, man. Sure, I'm about to go ahead to the car wash. Wash this up myself. Feel me? Which I know it's gonna probably take another hour. Get it fully done and how I like it. Put that base back in. We good to go, man. 300 still gone. But it's good. It's all good. We gonna get back at it though, man. We gonna have these two cars out playing with each other, man. Pause, you feel me? Pause, man. Yeah, man. Young Rich 419, man. See the coupe. Yeah, see the coupe. Stay locked and loaded, man. Like, share, subscribe. Check my older vids out. All right, man. Peace.